Welcome to Deer Creek-Mackinaw CUSD 701. My name is Cassandra Bilyeu, and I'll be walking you through the second website tutorial, editing pages. If we go back to our pages, we could see a couple of other things as well. For instance, on French 1, there was a few other section layouts. So I could add another section, and I could change this to a right image or a left image. A right image will insert an image on the right of the text. A left image will insert an image on the left of the text on the page, and it'll do so automatically. So to insert a right image, we'll go ahead and do that first. Remember, if you do this after you've typed something, it will get rid of everything you've typed. So I'm going to do this next to the course description. So there's my course description, there's all my information, and I'm going to insert an image right here. This shows me what is already up on this particular page, so I'm going to browse for something else. I'm going to click upload right here, the plus sign, and you're going to browse, and this will open up a browser on your computer, so that way you can see where your pictures are. I'm going to go to my documents and to my pictures, and here is some pictures that I use in class. So I will go ahead and use the picture of my head, and I'm going to go ahead and click upload. Now I could change this in the image editor. I could go ahead and click the image editor to shrink it, to make it bigger, to crop it, and notice, look how large that is. That is a gigantic head of mine. I don't want it that big. So I'm going to go ahead and shrink it right here. And this actually constrains proportions automatically. It's checked. So that means that it's not going to skew it when you do this. So I want it significantly smaller because I just want it to like nest over there next to the stuff. So we'll do that size. Notice that it's going to save it now as moi4_thumb. This automatically does that whenever you're editing an image. It saves it as a thumb. And I'm going to save it, and now it'll say that you're using this. Now we go to properties, and to remain ADA compliant, we have to include alternate text. So that way when a user's screen reader reads over this image, what is it going to say? So, a picture of Madame. And we'll go ahead and insert. We can also add a caption underneath if I wanted to say taken at prom 2009 right there. So now we have the course description, which has an image on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and delete this section because I don't need that old course description. I don't need two of them on the same page, and I'm going to save and submit. Again, I will go ahead and approve that on the back. Now if we refresh the website, you'll see that this is how it looked before, and this is how it looks after. So the course description is on the left hand side, the image is right here, this is our description or our caption, and that goes under the picture, and when we mouse over we see picture of Madame listed as the alternate text, and the alternate text would be read by a screen reader, which would enable people with disabilities to understand what that picture was about. So we'll go back to the website here, and we're going to go ahead and click on our pages again. And I'm going to edit published content one more time to show you another thing that we can do. So this is an image on the right. We can do one on the left as well. You understand that it's the same process. It's just going to insert the image over here on the left of the text rather than on the right of the text. And notice that the heading always goes before both the picture and the text. That stays the same.